Today, we're going to be taking that same yummy Snickerdoodle flavor, Snickerdoodle flavor that we... Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another episode of Man Cake. Today, we're going to be taking that same yummy Snickerdoodle flavor, Snickerdoodle flavor that we used for the keto cookies and turn them into a delicious, flavor-packed, amazing Snickerdoodle Blondie. They're going to be absolute perfection, and they're going to be so amazing. I know you guys are going to love these. All the ingredients that we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, and on your way down there, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on brand new weekly recipes. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's start on these delicious, yummy blondies. Yummy. Now in a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to add 1.5 sticks of soft butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Now with our hand mixer, we're going to beat the butter and both sugars until our mixture starts to get nice and fluffy like. It's so fluffy. Sorry, I've had too much coffee already. And once your butter mixture is both light and fluffy, you can go ahead and start adding in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. Now we're just going to beat those until combined. With our wet ingredients all mixed and combined, let's go ahead and move those to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and start on our dry ingredients. First, with the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we'll just give those a little quick whisk. Now we can go ahead and take our dry ingredients, add them into our wet, and with our hand mixer, beat all these ingredients until well combined. Now we're going to take your prepared pan. For me, I'm using a 9x9 square, just kind of like a normal old-fashioned brownie pan, lined with some parchment paper, and we'll just go ahead and scoop the batter in there. Now let's work on our yummy Snickerdoodle topping. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to mix 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Then we'll just give those a quick mix. Now let's go ahead and take our yummy topping and sprinkle that on top of our batter. Okay, so this looks so good, and tempted to just grab a spoon and just take a little taste, but we gotta throw in the oven to bake. So let's pop these into the oven to bake for 35 to 40 minutes until our blondies are kind of nice and golden brown and still kind of soft in the middle, but not soupy. So remember, golden brown, soft, not soupy. If you need more time in the oven to bake, check it every 5 minutes, but you should not need more than 45 minutes at the most. So our blondies are baked, they're cooled completely, cut them into squares. I do suggest, because I made the mistake before, I was getting a little impatient, definitely want to make sure that your blondies are completely cool before you start cutting them into little square sections. This way they kind of still hold their shape and they're nice and firm. But once they are cooled completely and cut, you will have your delicious Snickerdoodle Blondies. That nice golden brown color and that nice cinnamon sugar topping. Definitely need to take a taste test. Let's pop these right here. And I don't know which one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. The easiest way to pick one. This blondie will blow you away. I know you guys are gonna love these, and they're so good, and they're just so soft and moist and just packed with such yummy, yummy flavor. I had to try these. These are perfection. I'm gonna put this down and save it for later. Well, that's all I have for you guys this week. Thanks for baking along with me. And don't forget, if you make these delicious, yummy Snickerdoodle Blondies, give a tag on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, or even if you just want to say hello. All the links down below. Give a click and say hello. Until next week, bye.